Guys, I share my screen. Can you see my screen? Just say yes, no. That's enough for me.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. I already turned on the operating system and I share one documents, and that documents is so what is that documents? Okay, this one. Please check that one. WAC is available in city.amp educator or not, and please let me know. Can you see this one or not?
Yes.
Thank you. So let's start. Let's continue this one. Okay. So in here, again, we need to move into the server, which one we want to install. And only one operating system available in our computer right now. So that one is server one. This is that server one. Now what we need to do? We come into in the server in here and go to this link. You can see there is one link will be available. So copy that link. https://aka.ms/ Windows Admin Center. I'm gonna share this link into the chat as well. If you want, you can click in that link, or you can go to the in the sheet, and you can copy that link and paste into in your Microsoft Edge. So that one we need to do in our server, not in other place. So that means in our virtual machine, first turn on, click into the Microsoft Edge. After then, you start without your data, confirm and continue without this data, and confirm to start browsing. Next, and finish it. And let me paste the address in here. When you paste in address in here, then you can see one website will be coming. This website basically we are using for download Windows Admin Center. What is that one? This is one type of software. Using that software, you can control your server. So for that one, we want to install this software in our virtual machine. So click into the download now. Windows Admin Center overview, click into the download now. I click into the download now, and I can see in here download now, and download Windows Admin Center will be showing in here. So click in there. When I click in there, then I can see please select your Windows Admin Center, download.
Do you want to install inside virtual machine, right?
Yeah, everything in the virtual machine. This is my virtual machine. So I maximize, then it will be sure looks like this remote system. If you exit that one, then you can see the normal view will be looks like this way. Okay, now click into the download now, and then it will be start downloading. Everything we are doing in the virtual machine, nothing will be in our local machine. Okay, download is finished. Now go to the folder. Let's go to the folder, and I want to minimize this background screen. So I can see this is the Windows Center, Windows Admin Center. Double click it in here, and let's install it. Again, I want to minimize this one. So this is the software. I want to install it. So click into the next. This is the another window will become, and we need to accept all the terms and conditions. Select that part. Next. Wait a couple of seconds in here. Wait a couple of seconds. Okay, this is the another page will become. In that page, you can see two item will be showing in here: custom express setup or custom. I don't need to select anything. Default one, very good. Express. Next, in here you need to change something because the first one is use the pre-installed TLS certificate. I don't have any TLS certificate, so we need to choose the second one, generate a self-signed certificate. That one is only for 60 days. We are not using 60 days. So just for working purposes, we are using this one. Click on the next. In here, you can choose any one, but most of the cases, I don't need to update this window. So I select notify me when anything update. Okay. Next. By default one, no need to change anything. Next. When you are doing, make sure you can see port number will be port number. This one will be 443 will be showing in here. Make sure it's available. Now click into the install now. Wait a couple of seconds. Every step's written in the instruction sheet. So if you want, you can check it. Let me check something from in there. Okay, we can see everything. We can see. Okay, when this one will be finished, then we'll be in here. Okay, wait a couple of seconds. Let me wait. Okay, this one, when this one is finished, you can see there is one shortcut will be automatically come. This one is called Windows Admin Center. So wait a couple of more minutes in here. Please wait a couple of more minutes in here. Wait a couple of more minutes. Okay, now we can see it's finished. So before finish, you can see start Windows admin centered HTTP server 1:443. So let's click into the finish. Automatically will be start the server 1. So when the server 1 is start, you can see your connection is not private. Attacks might be trying to steal your information from server 1. That means somebody wants to try to hack your computer. So ignore that things, click into the advanced. And why you can see this one? Because we are using HTTP protocol. We are not using HTTPS protocol. As a result, we can see that type of problem will be arise. It's okay, no problem. We cannot do anything. So click into the continue to server 1 answer. When you click into that one, then you can see your username and password will be coming. So username, we log in this computer as administrator. Write down your username and write down the password. So what is password? Secret 555. So write down this one. Let's click into the sign in. You can see there will be successfully installed version 2410. This is the WAC will become. So if you want, you can read from in here. If you want, you can learn more things from in here. No need, cross it. And this is the server. This server will be showing in here. But this one is showing the server informations, not actual server. Our local server will be available in here. So for that one, we need to come into the number 3. So click into the add button. When you click into the add button, there are lots of things updating behind. So wait a couple of minutes in here. You can see successfully update the extension, updating extensions, lots of things that are updating. So in the meantime, let's do one more thing. So I click into the add button and you can see add or create resources. We can see servers, we can see Windows PCs, server cluster, Azure VMs, lots of things we can see. So we want to add our server. So click into the add button. When you click into the add button, then write down your server name. Okay, click add, then add under the servers. Note that you cannot add server by server name, import a server list names or source active directory can. Okay, we cannot do anything in here. Okay, let me write down server name. Our server name is the server 1. So we cannot add actually server 1. So that means that portion we did not do. We need to configure that one later. We'll do when we need. Found server 1, successfully update extension. Okay. Wait a couple of seconds. Lots of things update. So for this reason, we can see that one is showing. So let's click into the add again. Click into the servers. Click into the write down in our here server 1. Already it's available in here. We found server 1. Good. Server 1 is actually add. If you want to add more server, you can click in there. If you want to add any other active directories, you can click in there. So I don't need to do anything in here. So click cancel. Now go to the select this server. I select it. You can see what is that server name. It's very difficult to find out what is that name. So we can do one thing. there is edit tags. So click into the edit tags and write down, click into the add tags and write down this name. This is our Windows Server 2022. Then it will be shown in that tag list. Write down that one. Let's say S will be capital letter and Server 2022. And let's save it. Then you can see this tag will be showing that the server 1 is Server 2022. After that, we save it and it will be showing here. Done for number 4. Let's move into the number 5. Highlight server 1, all connection, click connect. Within the highlight server 1, we highlighted in here. After then, all connection page. This is the all connection page. Click connect. Let's click into the connect button. That one I selected. After then, click into the connect button. When I click into the connect button, then we can see details, information of my server will be showing in here. And lots of things, menu bar will be showing in here in the left side. So within the overview tools, view the information shown and click settings through the tools pane. So in here, you can check all the things will be in here. I'm going to show you something from in here. So let's click into the settings. I click into the settings. Under in here settings, in here let's click into the power configuration. We're going to change some power configuration in here. Click into the power configuration. When you change anything in here, that one will be effective in your server directly. So that means using the URL, you can control your server. That's interesting. WAC is very interesting software. Okay, now click in that power plan and choose high performance. Just we want to check it, is it working or not? High performance, click into the save button. It's successfully saved in here. And if you want, you can check, go to the control panel and check it, that one is saved or not. We can see later. There is one environmental variable will be showing. So select environment and note that you cannot create edit system. If you want, you can check it. We need to do this part. Highlight device within the tool pane. Note that hardware. Okay, let's click in here again and click into the devices. If you click into the devices, then we can see lots of option will be coming. That option, you can add any hardware if you want to add any hardware. So I can see disable device or update drivers is not showing in here. Everything is enabled. So everything is good to go. You don't need to do anything. If you want, you can open PowerShell from in here. So like, this is the PowerShell. So you can open it. You can write down any commands in here. Which one is we are doing in our virtual machine. Same thing, this one. That means under the virtual machine, we install one software, WAC. Using the WAC, you can do whatever you want. Let's write down dir. When you write down dir, all the system files will be showing in here. And there is thousands of files, so I'm going to use the Control-C. This is the PowerShell commands. Maybe tomorrow we'll do few PowerShell commands, not lots of, few portion. And more thing we'll do tomorrow. So that means you can run your PowerShell command in here. If you don't need, you can write down exit end of the page or you can disconnect. Both are working. So I exit it. I don't need right now. Let's, there is a registry key also be available if you want to move into the registry, if you want to change anything in your registry. That means your computer in here. So in here, so you can update, you can delete, you can do anything, whatever you want. Okay, let's do one thing. Highlights roles and features within the tool pane. Highlight DHCP server and uninstall it. We have one server we install in our computer. That one is DHCP server. Now we wanna uninstall it. So you can see in here, add roles and features. Why is that one? So a bit, I cannot see all the things. This one. Virtual machine, virtual storage device security roles in here, roles and features. Click in the roles and features. That one is in our server manager. There will be roles and features. Same thing in here. Now we wanna uninstall DHCP server. I click into the roles and features. This one, it's coming. Please wait. Yeah. Now you can see lots of things are available, and something is saying in here. 0 of 2 installed. Sometimes you can see 1 of 12 installed. That means which one is installed, that one will be showing installed. Which one is not installed, that one will be showing available. So we can see server is installed. So we don't need to use that one. We want to uninstall it. How come we can uninstall it? Select which one you want to uninstall. So in our exercise, they said please uninstall the DHCP. I select it. After that, click on the uninstall button. Then wait a couple of seconds, then you can see that operation will be uninstalled. Now you can see uninstall roles and reboot the server automatically. So check that one and yes, continue to uninstall yes. If the server need to be restart, that one will be automatically restart. If that not need, then it's never be restart. Okay, now wait a second. What will happen? We can check it. It is still showing the installed. It's still working. Everything is good. That one is another notification. Okay, it is still showing. Okay, now you can see my computer is restarting. So when your computer restart, that means it need few times. Connect it. Wait a couple of seconds in here. So that means when you want to uninstall anything or when you want to install anything, you don't need to go to your server manager. If you want, you can control everything from your Windows Active Directory. Sorry, Windows WAC. What else name? Windows Admin Center. Using that one, we can uninstall it, we can install it, we can add more information. Let's log in and we'll check it. Is that one is working or not? So a couple of seconds is still it's working. Okay. Now double click in here, Windows Admin Center. And write down, let me check restore page. Write down your username, administrator, write down the password. Okay, now server is almost ready. Now let's check it. DHCP server, now it's showing the available. When you can see anything is available, that means that one is not installed in your computer. That's it for WAC. Another line is written in here. You can see that one is just, you can check something for your servers. You can go in here, settings, you can check your, not that account. Let's move from in here. Let's move into the in here. Select in here, and you can click into the settings. You can check some settings in there. We don't need to do any other operation in here. So that's all for WAC. But in future, if we need, then we'll continue with this WAC access. And tomorrow, we'll do one PowerShell command, but not much more thing. PowerShell command we'll do later. Tomorrow we'll do only one PowerShell command, one or two PowerShell command. That's very interesting one. After then we'll install another Hyper-V in our Hyper-V. Okay. Any question? Good. Now I'm gonna give you some homework. So in our syllabus, I share labs. Sorry, I already shared the books. So now we are in day 3. Today is the Wednesday. So now please read the chapter 8. Go to the chapter 8, read it. Tomorrow I will ask you some questions regarding from the chapter 8. What did you understand? What you did? And tomorrow we will install Hyper-V in our virtual machine. That means we are in here. We will install Hyper-V in here. So that one will be very interesting. We'll do tomorrow. Now I'm gonna stop recording, but please now start reading from in here, and I will ask you some question tomorrow first. After then, I will show you few more configuration in our server. Okay, guys. Thank you, Gil. And hopefully I will upload this recording. Okay, I'm gonna stop it first.